2-in-1 facial machine. The CE certified steamer has a fully adjustable arm that moves up and down with pivot motion. The steamer heats distilled water to produce a high-pressure steam for delivery to the skin. This helps to open pores and relaxes face muscles to aid in the extraction of impurities. This handheld ozone high-frequency facial machine is professional grade and comes fully integrated into the steamer base unit, with a front-facing storage rack for easy access. High-frequency facial machine utilizes glass electrodes filled with violet argon gas, offering a gentle non-invasive treatment that is perfect for oily or combination skin. The Tesla pulse sends sinusoidal currents with a frequency range of 60,000 to 200,000 Hz to sterilize and produce ozone to oxygenate the skin while increasing circulation. High-frequency machines also aid in cell metabolism and generate a warming effect on the skin. This machine's antiseptic effect kills bacteria to eliminate and speed healing of blemishes. Adjustable hydraulic facial bed. Rest your clients comfortably and securely on this highly adjustable tattoo table/bed. The extendable headrest has a removable pillow to expose a face opening, perfect for back work. The extending headrest and reclining backrest/legrest allows you to customize the unit for all your needs. The sturdy hydraulic base lifts from 25 to 33 and spins 360 degrees. The free matching airlift Technician Stool offers you comfort while working on your clients. Professional high-frequency machine Herbal Aromatherapy Facial Steamer Free Skin Care Kit, 110 value, free, matching Technician Stool and Apron 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.